now, something pretty exciting. It's the Army Air Corps Apache coming up next. You'll see it lift from the left-hand end of the field. And Captain Skip Ahern will be here to talk to us. Back up on the front of the aircraft. Walkboat in on top of the rotor. We can't see any more. Visibility is not very good. Yes, facing forward, I think. So, we're standing by for some excitement here. The Army's going to bring us some whiz-bangs and goodness knows what else. The only thing we haven't got this year is a Royal Clip. We had one of those last year. I haven't over here.